In a land not far from here, two healthcare leaders were considering an electronic health record. Their physicians were intrigued, yet also concerned that it would change how they practice medicine. To some, it sounded like cookbook medicine. Didn't they know that with the right EHR, it really would be a wonderful life? Once upon a time, there was a hard-working little chef who knew he could be a great chef, a master chef, for he could create amazing dishes unlike anything anyone had cooked before. The little chef began traveling far and wide, entering cooking competitions everywhere. He wanted others to see that he was indeed the finest chef in the land. Yet, too soon, his spirit sagged as one by one, the judges rated other dishes better than his. They agreed his food was good, but certainly not prize-winning, and sadly, he knew that they were right. His food wasn't as good as it could be, but not for lack of trying. The little chef was working harder than all of the other chefs combined. The problem was he had too much to do and too little time to do it. The other chefs began each competition calm and prepared, while he started with one too many tasks on his plate. As the others were whisking and sautéing, he was first selecting ingredients and readying equipment. They were basting and flambeing, and he was frantically dicing and chopping. They were testing for doneness, and he was testing the ovens. And as they sprinkled and drizzled their finishing touches, the little chef scrambled to complete his dish, ready to collapse from exhaustion. Obviously, something had to change.
Little chef, you're trying to do too much alone. Empower a team to help you prepare so that everything is ready.
Yes, let others prep the ingredients and ready your equipment so you can focus on what you do best.
Of course. All he needed was some help, some better tools and resources. He needed someone to make sure his recipes were in order, at his fingertips, to make sure his bowls were ready, his knives sharpened. And why stop there? An experienced shopper could buy his ingredients, always staying informed on what was freshest and in season. Everything could be measured and prepped, ready for him to work his culinary magic. Why didn't he think of this before? With the right help up front, he could save his energy and use his talent to bring those ingredients together just right for the perfect end result. The next day, the little chef entered the most prestigious cooking contest in the land. And this time, a behind-the-scenes team made sure he was ready. His recipes were in order, his ingredients freshly prepped and measured, his tools and equipment just right. And when the judges said go, he began to cook like never before. He stirred, simmered, whisked, pureed, and julienne, another dash of this, a pinch of that. He was on culinary fire. The aromas and excitement in the air caused others to gather around him. Clearly, the little chef was little no more. And as the judges bestowed the top honor on this new master chef, the magic he had created spilled over onto others in the room. One guest, a physician from a nearby village, realized that he and others at his clinic could learn a lesson from the little chef. What if they had someone to do all of their prep work, to make sure all of the information, tools, and resources that they needed were always at their fingertips? Then they could focus on doing what they do best, practicing quality medicine. With the right electronic health record, it really would be a wonderful life.